Hey everyone, it's me Ryan here, and today we're going to do a video about how you can use your Android phone to sort of give your computer internet. So you say you have a computer with no Wi-Fi card and you do kind of need internet, you don't want to buy one during the circuit breaker period as prices will be up. You can use your phone actually, only Android phones though, so iPhones, good luck. Okay, so with that, let's get right into the video. Let's go. The question as to why you would need this, well, recently about maybe 1 or 2 weeks ago, from the time I made this video, M1 had an outage where most of Singapore didn't have service for a good majority of the day, so a lot of people were left to use their mobile data. So I have friends that actually had desktops where they couldn't actually use internet because they don't have ways to connect to the internet since the router was not working. And their computer also had no Wi-Fi card. So this is why I made this video, as to explain to you all how you can use your Android phone with a USB-C cable to actually give your computer internet. It's going to be a lot faster than using the mobile hotspot on your phone, so I'm going to guide you all through the steps on what you need actually. So with that, let's jump right in. You need an Android phone, something that can support 5 GHz Wi-Fi network, along with a USB Type-C cable with data transfer. I do know that there are other options out there such as Wi-Fi hotspot, but that is not as reliable compared to a hardwired connection from your phone to your desktop. So to set that up, I'll recommend you just to connect your phone to your computer first. Preferably this only works in Windows, so you'll see a notification such as Note 10 Plus or Note 20 Plus on your desktop. Okay, on your phone, go to Settings, then open up Connections. Then scroll down to Mobile Hotspot and Tethering and enable USB tethering. Then a pop-up will appear on your desktop and you're all set. If you're making your desktop wireless, make sure your phone is connected to your house internet connection instead of your 3G or 4G, and not you'll be using that. If you say you're using it when your internet is down, then make sure your phone is connected to 3G or 4G. So when I tested with a wired connection from my router to my desktop, the speed is about close to 100 megabytes per second. When I'm using my phone as the wired connection, I'm getting slightly lower than that, but it's still fine. It's still a lot better compared to using your mobile phone's hotspot. So overall, I hope you found this video informational. So let's say you have issues with Wi-Fi and you can use your phone as a wireless dongle for your computer so that you can use internet on your desktop. I hope this would have helped you a lot. And with that, we have come to the end of the video. Leave a like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and last of all, stay safe during the circuit breaker period. Stay at home, chill out, maybe watch Netflix or something like that now that your computer has internet, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.